Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the Vortopt reverse osmosis water purifier. This is the DR3. Let's see what we got here. Okay, my friends, here we go. I can move this out of the way if I need to. This just rotates out of the way. Nice seal right there. Everything works really good. The water is super smooth to turn on and off. Gonna have myself a glass of water here. And let's try this out here. All right. That is absolutely delicious. No weird aftertaste. It's all connected down here. It does have a little bit of a sound there, but all in all, my friends, this thing is amazing. Truly excellent tasting water. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.